I'm back. All right, this lesson is for math, the must-do for Wednesday, April 22nd. Okay, so we are again working with our place value, but today is a little bit different. It's more of a problem-solving page. You only have one Google slide to do. It's another page from your math workbook, and it's problem-solving or more like a guessing game using some of what we learned about place value. Okay, so what I did, I didn't want to give the answers away. So I did very similar ones. You've seen me do this in class like this, where I take the problems in the book and I have almost the same ones, but I change up the numbers. Okay, so that's what I did today. So if you look above this red line here, I'm trying to figure out a number, and I have two clues that are going to help me figure out this number. I'm going to use my whiteboard here to help me. Okay, so just so you know, all of them are going to be, all the mystery numbers have 3 digits. They're all going to have a hundredths, a tens, and a ones number. Okay, so the first one, look at the clue. We know that it's greater than 139. So let me think about it. What's a number greater than 139? Okay, I have 180, 190, 300, 600. All of those are greater than 139. What is less than 139 would be 130, 120, 134 would be less. So I know it's got to be greater than 139. So I'm just going to write that here, and I'm going to write arrow going up because I know it's going to be greater than 139. Let's look at my next clue. My next clue said it's going to be less than this number. They drew out the blocks. So let's figure out what number that is if I draw out the blocks. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141. So it's got to be less than 141. Since there's only 2 clues, that's good because there's only one number that's greater than 139 but less than 141. What number comes between those? It is 140. There you go. 140, because when we count, we have 139, 140, 141. All right, good. All right, so our answer was 140. That was our 3-digit mystery number. Okay, on number 1 in the Google Slide workbook page, you're going to see it's very similar. But don't just write 140 because I did change the numbers around. All right. For the second one, let's see. This time I have 3 clues. So I'm going to, again, I know it's going to be a 3-digit number. I'm going to have a number in the hundredths, a number in the tens, and a number in the ones. All right, so it said, my first clue is that the 3 is in the ones place. So in the ones place, I know it's going to be a 3. Don't know the hundreds or tens yet. It says the hundredths is 1 more than the tens. So that means that this number has to be bigger than this. By how many? It's going to be 1 more than the tens. So I'm just going to write +1 here. And I know it's going to be 1 more than whatever I put in the tens place. I don't know what that is going to be yet. I'm hoping clue number 3 gives us the clue. Because it's the last one. It better. All right, the last one says the hundredths and the tens added together equal 9. Okay, so that means these two, if I were to add whatever I put in here, it's got to equal 9. So what equals 9? Let's try 8 plus 1. Could this be 8 and a 1, making that 813? Nope. Because this is supposed to be 1 more, then this would have to be 213, because it can only be 1 more. Right now it's 7 more, being that it's 800. So it's not 8 plus 1. What else equals 9? Let's try some other things. Let's try 6 plus 3. All right, that equals 9. So let me try 6 plus 3. Is this 1 more than that? Nope. What if I switch it around and do 3, then the 6? Is this 1 more? No. Okay, so let's stop here and let's think about what it's asking. It wants us to come up with something that equals 9 where this is only one more. Can you think of a math fact that equals 9, that these numbers would be only one number apart? I'm going to give you a minute to think about it. And when you do one of the problems in your Google Slides, you're going to have to do this today. All right. Were you thinking the same that I'm thinking? 5 and 4. 5 plus 4, does that equal 9? 5 plus 4 does equal 9. Yes. Are they one number apart? Yes. We have to put the bigger one here. So I'm going to put the 5 here and the 4 here. We have our mystery number. I'm going to write it right here. 543. All right. I'm moving on to the third one. The third one is not quite a mystery number. It's more like a word problem, but we're going to use some of what we've learned about place value. So in the book, it has Ralph, and Ralph has some stickers. I just wrote it short here. I wrote Ralph. He has 365 stickers. Now, in the book, he's going to have a different number. All right, so 365. I'm actually going to draw blocks to help me out. 360, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so Ralph has 365 stickers. He gave 20 of those stickers to Ken. Now, I could go 365 minus 20. Yes, I could. But since I drew the base 10 blocks, I'm just going to cross out 20 of them. What's an easy way to cross out 20? So 2 10s make 20. So I'm going to say, goodbye, goodbye. There's 20 of them. All right. But then our next clue says he gave 100 to Matt. So we had 365 stickers. He gave 100. What's the easiest way to get rid of 100? I mean, I could go, minus 100 and do it out. But what's an easy way? Because we drew the blocks. I could just cross out a 100 block. So how many does he have left? How many stickers does Ralph have left? And that's what you have to figure out. 100, 200, 220, 30, 40, 50. So I'm at 250, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. He has 255 left. All right, and that is our mystery number, or the answer for the bottom one. Okay, so did you see how I used the place value box instead of doing it out this way? There was no regrouping involved, so it wasn't too difficult to just do that. All right, when you get to the problem about Ralph, try doing that. All right, that is a quick little video, and that is the end for today. Thank you.